Hello followers of Christ. So I am here at Nara, Palawan, and this is the deer market. We have a beautiful market here, and this would be my first time here in Nara, Palawan. I hope that you're always updated. Ta? Saan
Balikan
tayo?
lang natin yan.
We are just buying something here, and also to know the people here. Hallelujah.